So I received 2 scholarships from the restaurant gala 2 times.
So I was spending a lot of money, like out of pocket every single month to make payments, and it was really hurting my bank account. And I got that $2,000 scholarship at the beginning of the semester, and that completely finished paying off the rest of my semester.
At the time, I was working full-time at work, and I was here full-time and doing all these things. And I was honestly stressing out about money, and I was working so much, working to 12 p.m., coming back here at 7. And when I received that scholarship, it took so much weight off of my shoulders.
Thank you for supporting the Academy of Culinary Arts.
Thank you for your support, and thank you for investing in my future.
Thank you to all the donors and supporters that we have for granting us with scholarships.
Thank you for investing into my future.
Thank you so much for supporting the Academy of Culinary Arts. We appreciate any donations, and I am and we are grateful to be here. Thank you.